Hi, welcome back to Musicians Edition Practice with me for Alto Saxophone. We're still working in the Standard of Excellence Book 1, and today we're on page 13. We're going to be learning some new rhythms coming up. All right, but we'll talk about it when we get there. All right, so first things first, we're going to look at our key signature. I don't know if you guys remember the key signatures, but I'm going to ask anyway because we're going to need to learn these and know these. What key signature are we in? This is the key of G, which includes just the one F sharp. Great. What is our time signature? Common time. That's 4/4. So we have 4 beats in our measure. All right, let's start off with the warm-up. I don't want to do the fermatas, so let's just hold those out for 4 beats. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. How'd you do? Great. This makes for just a nice, simple, easy warm-up. Let's do it again, though. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Still doing all right? Let's do it one more time for good luck. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. All right, let's take a look at our next exercise, 45. So now we're learning a new rhythm. It's the 8th note. So the 8th note is half of the value of our quarter note. So when you have just an individual one, if you look there on the top part of the page, the note that has the flag on it, that's 1/8 note. So if it's 2, it'll be combined with the bar across like that. So it's only half a beat. So how you would count it is 1 and, 2 and, 3 and. It's going to be the 1, the and, 2, the and. So let's look at our exercise, okay? So the way it would be counted is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 Okay? Now, the book wanted you to write in the countings, but I just gave it to you. So, yeah, I guess just write it in, even though I gave you the answer. And then there's a few exercises down further. It says write in the counting. I'll let you do that one. Okay, so let's just try to play this, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, and. So it sounds like this. All right, let's play. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Great. I forgot to mention the repeat before, so I tried to holler it out in the middle. All right. Let's play it again, though, with the repeat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Okay, so now let's put in the clapping parts. So let's both clap this just the one time because it's just on the beat every time. All right, ready? I'm going to give the 4 beat count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. So that's all the clapping part is. Nothing too complicated. So how about you do the clap, I'll play the saxophone, and then we'll swap parts. This time, let's repeat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. All right, let's flip parts this time. So now I'm going to clap, you play the sax part. All right, and we're going to still repeat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. All right, let's move on to our next exercise. This is just an exercise where we can change notes just a little bit. So, just a little more 8th note practice. All right, let's just give it a try though, shall we? And there's a repeat on this one too, so let's take the repeat. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Not too bad, right? It's just ta-ta. Just a little faster. All right, let's do it again though so we get real comfortable with these. These are a common thing, so we're gonna wanna really get comfortable with them. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Make sure you're still breathing from the diaphragm and make sure you're tonguing on these. All right, let's do it one more time with repeat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Now that one earned us an achievement, so let's take a look and see what we worked on. So that was exercise 46. So let's see here, 46, where are you? Notes, rhythm, and tonguing. Yes, that's why I made the mention of the tonguing. Very important there. All right, let's move on to our next exercise, exercise 47. This time, you write in the counts, and then we'll go over them together. And while you're writing those in, I want to remind you to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and the notification button so you don't miss any of our practices. All right, if you're still writing the notes in, go ahead and pause the video, but if your counts are already written in, let's go ahead and go over them. All right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Okay, and then we're gonna repeat that. So let's play this together. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. So it's similar to our first exercise that we did, the exercise 45, where it stayed on the same note. The eighth note was just at the end of the measure versus on the third beat. All right, let's play again with repeats. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. All right, so the clapping is going to be the same as our exercise 45, where it's just on the beats. Let's just go over it together anyway for this exercise. So let's do it together, no repeat. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent, so just on the beat. All right, so how about you do the clapping part, I'll play the saxophone, and then afterwards we'll swap. Let's do repeats as well. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. All right, let's swap parts. So this time you play the sax, I'll do the clapping parts. All right, ready? With repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. All right, let's move on to our exercise 48. So this one's just a little bit more of a song, so we're gonna play through. This time, watch for my cutoff on the fermata. All right. Oh, and our key signature changed, so we have no sharps, no flats. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's so hard to do the cutoffs with the saxophone. But anyway, I want you to pay attention to them, so I wanted to do a little something. All right, how'd you do? I hope I wasn't going too fast for you. Yeah, just make sure you're tonguing still. There's breath marks in here, so pay attention to those as well. All right, let's do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. How'd you do this time? Do you feel better about it? Excellent. Let's do it one more time. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. All right, on to our last exercise of the day. Go for excellence. All right, so we're going back to the key of G. So now we have our F sharp back. We're still in common time, so no worries with our time signature here. So this time we're going to just be moving our notes a little bit more around. Our eighth notes are still going to remain the same with one another. So just something to keep in mind. All right, so let's give this a try. I'll try to take this a little slower for our first time and then speed it up as we go along. Okay, ready? Slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. How do you feel? Think we can speed it up a little bit? Let's give it a try. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Were you able to keep up with that pace? If not, don't worry about it. Remember, these are all about you, and I want you to practice and play as you're comfortable. You always can work your way up. All right, let's play it one more time. Let's take it even faster, though. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. All right, this one says we earned an achievement as well. So let's take a look at what this one accomplished here. That was exercise 49. So that's notes, rhythm, and tone. And the tone really is because we were going lower to mid to a little bit higher. All right. Well, thanks for joining me, and until next time.